Connect to power supply. Place the fireplace on a level platform using the handle hoop. Install the flush-mounted glass. Connect the filling hose to the second nipple, then press the automatic filling button once to start filling. Fill to at least 2/3 of the tank capacity, or allow the unit to fill completely and stop automatically. Turn on the fireplace by pressing the power button twice on the unit or once on the remote control. Adjust flame levels. 5 adjustable levels. Select flame colors. 7 natural color options, plus 90 automatically cycling colors. Turn off fireplace by pressing the power button once. Connect the hose to the first nipple. Press and hold the button for 3-5 seconds until you hear a beep. Release the button and allow the water to be siphoned out. Press the button once to stop pumping and unplug the hose.